Alright guys, here is the key. Here is the car, GR86 Toyota 2022 model. By the way, what you can do with the key is just lock the car and unlock the car. As you probably will see, also the car comes with the keyless entrance. You can lock the car by putting your finger here, and also you can unlock it with your hand in this area, just like that, simple. Other than that, the car, it's just a basic manual car, so it doesn't have safety features, doesn't have parking sensors, and all about that I will have a separate video, full review video. If you want to see interior, exterior, all the details, technical data about the car, check out on the channel. I have a separate video. We have 17-inch rims on this Sport model. It comes also with another version, Sport Plus, where you have 18-inch rims, but you have to pay extra, and also it has a little bit of changes here and there, but more about that we will talk in the full review video. Ventilated brake disc on the rear and ventilated brake disc on the front, but also about that we will talk in another video. The pedals are normal pedals, no aluminum pedals. Also on the Sport Plus will come with aluminum pedals, and also the seats, we have fabric material seats, normal simple seats, nothing crazy, nothing fancy here inside the car. Let's go inside. And also guys, let me put the key right here. I like how they open those trails here, the armrest here, it's open quite nice. Also the interior is quite basically, and it looks like a sporty raw metal old classic car, I should say, because here you can see everything, it's kind of a fake metal. This is plastic on the buttons, but it looks like so raw, and even those buttons for the climatic system are plastic, but they look like a proper sporty car. And I know many people will love this interior, we love this feeling. When you go inside here, you feel like you're going in a proper rally sporty car, and I like that feeling. And also look at the handbrake, how oldish it is, guys. I mean, it really look like on old edges, and it gives you that feeling of an old car. And also even those classic car, I should say, not old car, sorry guys, but even the vents, even everything feels so classic-y here inside. And also even the vents, even though they feel quite good, even it's a brand new car, it really gives you that feeling of classic. Anyway, let me give you some technical data and then we will start to drive. The price of the car here in Switzerland at Emil Frey in Zuchwil. By the way, if you want to buy the car, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out Emil Frey in Zuchwil. They have a lot of cars here, not only from Toyota but also from Ford. Anyway, the link will be in the description. The price of the car, basis price 37,900 francs, but with the optionals here, car care kit and also the color, the price will be 39,350 francs. You can get, this is the Sport version. It's also a Sport Plus version where you have the aluminum brakes and a few changes here and there, but I will explain you about that in the full review video. And also it comes with all these options standard here. We will talk about that also in the review. The car comes with a 2.4 liter petrol engine, 4 cylinders Boxster array, and also 234 horsepower, 250 Newton meters, 6-speed manual transmission. Oh, many people will love that. The driving feeling is just fabulous. You will see around consumption estimated 8.7 liters. The weight of the car 1,403 kilograms. 198 CO2 grams. It's in F class, efficient class. So a few information for you guys. Also the car comes with McPherson independent suspension on the front and beam bar on the rear, and 17-inch rims, ventilated brake disc in the front and in the rear. The steering wheel, it's quite nice. Also we have the GR here, down, GR start, engine button, and also cruise control stalk is down here behind the steering wheel. Yeah, let's start the car. Press the brake. You can hear the engine when I start it. It's quite cold, the engine right now in this moment. Alright guys, let's drive the car. First of all, the visibility around the windows, it's great. It's really feel like in that raw sporty car, rally car. Also those seats hold you perfectly. I mean, you really feel like you're in a sporty car. I don't know, like a classic sporty car. Yeah, anyway, let me leave the handbrake down. If you want to go in reverse, you have to pull it like that and then go in reverse. And the car come with a reverse camera, but didn't come with any parking sensors. But you have a great visibility. You don't even need parking sensors because you have good visibility in the mirrors, and even up here in this mirror you have a great visibility. I don't want to talk too much, guys. This car is more about enjoyment, enjoy of driving the car. The cockpit, surprisingly, it's also quite classy, but in the same time it's quite digital. Everything there is digital, but it looks in a classic way. It gives you a lot of information right there on the screen. About that also in the review video. Right now I just want to enjoy the ride with you. Also the multimedia, it's quite classy. We will talk about that in the review video. First of all, the suspensions are like a sporty car. They are stiff enough. You feel like you're really down to the ground. You really feel every single little bump. The brakes need a little bit of time because the car was staying there. Oh, I like it. I like the gear shifter. Oh yeah, over those bumps. Oh boy, it feels really nice. Oh my god. Oh boy, this is it. I love it. Yes, it's the same as it looks, it feels. I mean, you will love it. If you are into sporty car, you have to try it. Oh my god. Oh boy, I can explain you the feeling. Really, it's really that road. You feel every single bump. It's like it's perfect. The car is set up perfectly for driving sporty. I can say this is a daily driver, but this is kind of an extra car to have there, to have some fun. With this price, it's phenomenal. If you want to buy a car that gives you the same performance and the same driving feeling from Porsche or from, I don't know, BMW, Mercedes, you will pay over 100,000. Oh man, and it's so nimble, it's so acceleration, it's incredible. 0 to 100 in around 5.9 seconds. Wow, the gear shifter, it's lovely. I think I would change a few things here and there in the interior. I'm not sure if the Sport Plus will come with those changes, but I will definitely put some metal inside this car because it's drive like a king. I will put some metal here on the gear shifter, probably here on the handbrake, and I don't know, around here and there. The gear shifter, the gearbox, it's gorgeous. It's super responsive. I don't think you need more than than what this car offers in terms of sporty feeling. Consumption 20 liters until now, but yeah, it's normal. It's not about consumption in this car. But the driving, I can't believe I'm driving. The feeling that this car gives you, also, wow, also on the curves, the handlings, it's like you're driving a sporty classic car from 2022. Oh man, love the brakes, love the pedals, love the acceleration, the handlings. Oh, you can have some fun with this car on the track. You have a button here, a track button. You have to press it a few seconds to activate it. Actually, right now it's activated, but you have to pay attention because the traction control will be off. And yeah, on the normal road it's quite dangerous, but will be so fun to drive with. Let me deactivate it. Love the feeling. So too bad I cannot test it on a track. I wish I can do that, but oh boy, it's what I'm looking for when I want to drive a sporty car. Or maybe let's go here. Or so maybe we go forward. Push it through there. Oh boy, lovely car. I don't know, guys, I don't know how can I explain you the feeling, but it's incredible. The car is just fabulous. Look at this. The way it stays on the road is wow, it's just stick to the ground. The pedals, acceleration, everything is just whoa. So who said you cannot have a super nice sporty car with a reasonable price? Nice brakes, nice and steady. Oh, love the car. 15.6 liters the consumption until now. Yeah, as expected. Oh boy, I need a little bit of time to get used with it, but oh, that's a proper car. This is how a sporty car should be able to drive. Now if you want to park it in reverse, just go in reverse. You have that reverse camera and you just park it. Super easy. The reverse camera, it's mega useful. And slowly and steady. Oh boy, I love the car, really incredible. That was the trip. It's 15.9 liter consumption. Incredible, really incredible car. I like it. A few words about it. I know guys, I wasn't able to go outside on the highway or farther away, but I really understand what this car it is, and for this price, under 50,000, it's just incredible what this car can offer. So if you would buy, for example, a BMW, Porsche or other car with the same driving feeling and performance, you will have to pay over 100,000. I think it's totally deserved to take in consideration. This GR86 is just a super nice raw rally sporty car. It's not a daily driver, so if you think about driving every day to work and home and shopping, I'm not sure if this car is made for this kind of reason. It's more like a fun car. This is my opinion. It's really fun. But if you are a person that loves sporty cars and this kind of raw driving feeling, this car will be perfect for you. My rating for the car, taking into consideration the price and driving feeling, of course, it's all about driving feeling here in this car. From 1 to 10 will be 9.9. It's really a great car. Of course, they can improve a little bit of things here and there, but fabulous car. Really love it. So guys, that was the video. If you still have questions, ask me down below. Don't miss out the full review video. There I give you all the information, technical data, interior, exterior, all data about the car, material quality, space, and more, those kind of information. Check out the full review video. It's probably already on my channel. If it's not already on my channel, click the subscribe button to see the notification when that video will come out. That was the video. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy the car, if you want to see the car, you are in Switzerland, check out Emil Frey in Zuchwil. I will leave the link in the description so you can check them out. If you want to buy the car, see the car, test drive it, check them out, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I guess I see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.